Abanyadini nibenda ngo betegereza omuringo gw'abantu bari kubasa kukoresa itaka rikye ahabo obufunda bw'ensi ya kigezi okugira ngu nabo betungure kandi n'ehuriro y'omwebembezi w'ihanga. Right Honorable Thomas Taibwa nagira ngu afamu ya Minister Fred kimwe kiri kukoresibwa nikibasibwa buri muntu n'ahabwekyo abantu biine kumwegeraho kihango leero babinje obworo.
Really happy with what we've seen here because the President has been telling us about what Honorable Fred Byamukama is doing here, and I'm glad that in this tour which we started yesterday from Mr. Nyakana, Richard Nyakana's farm in Rengaju for 1 acre model, and now from here 4 acre model, I've seen a lot. And what is very unique about this farm is that they do it in a very ordinary way.
Okurugira Right Honorable Thomas Taibwa abantu biine kutandika kuteeka ekibaro omu by'obuhingi byabo okugira ngu bagobere mu kihango.
You don't just come and plant and you just go for the sake of it and you say, what's your role? You say, I'm a farmer. But what do you earn? You're a farmer who is lining up for food rations when the government is giving out food. In case of anything small, you're crying that I'm hungry, we don't have what to feed our people. So we want you to be a farmer with impact. And the best way to do it is to study the whole cycle.
Minister Fred Byamukama nagira ngu abantu bingi omu ishaza rye obwa hati batandikira okumwegeraho kandi bingi bariyo nibeegigahaza.
But neighbors have coped. You are actually very poor, but they have coped. You go that side, this side, and at least they are earning a living. They are doing something for themselves. Why I chose 4 acre model, the average land holding capacity in Bunyoro, they are 4 acres. Not like the Chigezi side, sometimes 1 acre. Right Honorable was telling me, easy place me to half. But here we are like an average land holding capacity, they are 4 acres.
Nagira ngu famu egi neemiheza amagaba mingi garikuhika omuri miliyoni 7.2 buri kwezi kandi abantu enkora egi kuba baragiteho omutima neija kubahwera munonga.
We have 6 cows for 0 zinc. We have poultry for eggs. Southern, but those giving me eggs there from southern because we have to keep those which are waiting for continuous supply. Then we have 1 acre of coffee mixed with banana. Then we have 1 acre of grass. At this farm, we have water given by government of Uganda.
Famu ya Minister Fred eriho ente z'omubiju, enkoko, ebidiba by'ebyenyanja, orutookye hamwe n'omwani. Bwanyuma Sipiika hamwe n'abanyadini barambura famu y'enganzi y'ihanga erikushangwa omuri Kakumiro Town Council.
Kikusoboka kale okusobola kola famu nkewe nkoto amanga kikano baligeja safari ibiri njagule gambe hanga omuti guno gugula siringi omutwalo gumu ibiri. Yes, ati wale emiti giga kola kino ekikyo kale tukola kikundu kiti okola by'okusobola teneko.
Amakuru agagashakwa Onesimus Tulyahabwe ahabwa Atari West omuri Kakumiro.